Is it an app? Is it a website? No, it's Office League, a progressive web app taking your table football to the next level. A progressive web app is essentially a website that can work like a native app, with super easy and quick installs, always the newest version, with better performance. It even works offline. So with all these benefits in mind, the foosball crazy team in Enonic decided to build a reference case in the form of Office League. Whether you're 2 or 4 players, Office League lets you easily record each goal as the match progresses to its climax. Create your own league, invite your colleagues, and play like you mean it. Afterwards, you can see your ranking, the number of games you've played, how many goals you've scored, your teams, and much more data. Office League makes table football even more fun. We use it here at Enonic, and we also have other leagues that are using it as well. So what are you waiting for? Kick that ball in the goal!